Top 15 Incredible Amphibious Vehicles Around the World. Number 1. Gibbs Aquata. The Gibbs Aquata is a high-speed amphibious vehicle capable of reaching speeds of up to 62 miles per hour on land and 30 miles per hour on water. It can transition from land to water in under 12 seconds. Number 2. Watercar Panther. The Watercar Panther is another popular choice, known for its versatility and off-road capabilities. It can reach speeds of up to 50 miles per hour on land and 45 miles per hour on water. Number 3. Bisky. The Bisky is a unique amphibious motorcycle that can transform into a personal watercraft. It can reach speeds of up to 80 miles per hour on land and 24 miles per hour on water. Number 4. Renspeed Splash. The Renspeed Splash is a concept amphibious sports car that gained attention for its futuristic design and performance. It can reach speeds of up to 124 miles per hour on land and 31 miles per hour on water. Number 5. Quadski. The Quadski is an amphibious all-terrain vehicle, ATV, that can transition from land to water within seconds. It has a top speed of 45 miles per hour on both land and water. Number 6. Amphicar Model 770. Produced in the 1960s, the Amphicar Model 770 is often considered a classic amphibious vehicle. It has a top speed of 70 miles per hour on land and 6 miles per hour on water. Number 7. Hydra Spider. The Hydra Spider is a luxury amphibious vehicle that combines the features of a sports car and a speedboat. It can reach speeds of up to 120 miles per hour on land and 40 miles per hour on water. Number 8. Cami Amphibious Resupply Cargo Vehicle, ARCV. The Cami ARCV is a military amphibious vehicle designed for logistic support in coastal environments. It can carry cargo and personnel both on land and in the water, providing transport capabilities for military operations. Number 9. Sherp ATV. While not exclusively designed as an amphibious vehicle, the Sherp ATV is a highly capable off-road vehicle that can traverse various terrains, including water bodies. It features massive self-inflating tires and can navigate through deep water, making it suitable for both land and water adventures. Number 10. Iguana Yachts. Iguana Yachts produces a range of amphibious boats designed for various purposes, including leisure, exploration, and rescue operations. These boats can drive onto land and launch into the water without the need for a separate boat ramp. Number 11. Sealegs Amphibious Rib. Sealegs produces a range of amphibious rigid inflatable boats, ribs, that can seamlessly transition from land to water and vice versa. These versatile boats are widely used for various purposes, including recreational boating, rescue operations, and military applications. Number 12. Aton Impulse Viking 2992. The Aton Impulse Viking 2992 is a Russian-made amphibious off-road vehicle designed for extreme off-road and water crossings. It features large wheels with paddle-like tires, allowing it to navigate through challenging terrains and water obstacles. Number 13. ASIS Amphibious Craft. ASIS manufactures a range of amphibious crafts, including boats and hovercrafts, designed for both commercial and military applications. These crafts are capable of operating on land and water, providing versatility and mobility. Number 14. UHAC. Ultra Heavy Lift Amphibious Connector. The UHAC is a prototype amphibious vehicle developed by the United States Marine Corps. It is designed to transport heavy equipment and supplies from ships to shore, even in challenging beach conditions. Number 15. Amphicoach. The Amphicoach is a unique amphibious vehicle designed for sightseeing tours. It combines the features of a bus and a boat, allowing passengers to experience both land and water attractions during the same tour. These are some examples of noteworthy amphibious vehicles with distinct features and capabilities. From military applications to recreational use, these vehicles showcase the versatility and innovation in the field of amphibious transportation. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.